Hi students, how are you all? I think you are all fine. Okay? Yes. Just a small introduction about myself. My name is Somu. My qualification is MSc BEd. I am teaching social science since 10 years. Okay? A small suggestion for you as a teacher. Already you know about COVID-19. It is a virus, it is spreading over all the world. Is it right or not? Yes. So that is why, what is my suggestion for you? You don't go away from your home. You have to stay home only. So you have to, everyone should follow, stay home and stay safe. Okay? Yes. In this class, I want to teach you or I want to explain a small topic. Okay? So these topics are related to your previous class. Now you are studying 4th class. So if you start directly 4th class means that is some hard to you and you feel something you can't understood. That is why first of all we have to explain. I have to explain basics. So these classes are only for basics purpose. Okay, and these topics related to your next class. If you know about these topics in the next class, you are learning these related topics, then you can understand easily. Okay? Yes. So now in this class, we are discussing about one topic. And before going that, generally we are seeing, if we see around you, so many types of different types of people are there. Is it right or not? Yes. In the same way, they are doing different jobs or different works. Generally we are seeing. Is it right or not? What is your father? Okay, I think your father is businessman, or your father is teacher. Your father is a teacher, or your father is doing clerk job, or your father is government job holder. I think, suppose this type of people are there in the society. So something work is doing your father. Is it right or not? Yes. Okay. See here, different people are doing different works in the society. So why they are doing different works? If they do work, so they are getting money. They earn money. So with that earning of money, they are living in the society. Is it right or not? Yes. So here we are discussing about some examples of people, types of people. Suppose if we take teacher. Suppose I am a teacher now. What I am doing here now? I am teaching subject. Is it right or not? So what is doing teacher? Teaches something. Okay, teaches something. And if you take doctor, what he will do? What he will do, doctor? Yes, he treats illness or treats people. Treats people. Suppose if you take soldier, what he can do, soldier? Protect our country. Got it, everyone? This time I taken here some different types of people. Teacher is one people, doctor, soldier, like that. And they are doing different jobs. Is it right or not? Yes. So here, whatever work they are doing, why they are doing like that? Different works to get money. Okay. So here, any work which helps to earn in living. is called occupation. Is called occupation. Got it everyone? Different people are doing different jobs or works. So what they are doing work, that work is called occupation. Yeah, that one we will discuss. Any work which helps to earn in living is called occupation. So now our topic name is occupations. Occupation. This is our topic. Now we are going to discuss about occupation. Already we discussed what is occupation. Okay, and this we are saying this occupation. This abbreviation of what is occupation means we discussed one point. In the same way, this occupation we are saying like this. What is that? People do work is called occupation. We are saying like this also. People do work. People do work is called occupation. Simply we are saying like this. Clear? So this is occupation. People do work is called occupation. And if you take one example, suppose farmer. What is doing farmer? Farmer is doing farm work. They are doing in the field. They are doing work in the field. So they are producing different types of seeds, grains, things from the field. Is it right or not? Suppose, for example, we are all wearing clothes. Okay. How we are getting? From where they are getting these clothes? First of all, farmers are growing cotton crops. Farmers are growing cotton crops. After that, they are selling this cotton in the market. Some members are buyers are coming to the market. They will buy cotton from the farmers. They take and go to the industry or factory. So with the help of some workers, some job holders, so they make thread. From the thread they make clothes, and after that they will send to the different types of shops. Then we are going, if you need any new dresses, we are going to the different shops and we are buying them. This is the process. This is one example. Is it clear? Here, different types of people are doing work. Is it right or not? Now, we are going to discuss here types of occupations. Types of occupations. Already we discussed, farmers are doing farm work, and in the factory also some members are doing work. So yeah, like this, people are doing different works. So yeah, those are doing farm work. Yes, farmers. Who is doing farm work? Farmer. So these farmers are involving in one type of occupation, that is primary occupation. What is that? Primary occupation. And some people are doing work, doing job in the factory. So these people are involving in the secondary occupation. And some people are there, they are doing different works in the society. They are serving the people, and by that they are getting money, and they are selling different things also. Okay, so that type of people are involving in territory occupation. What is that? Territory occupation. these are the three types of occupations. Okay, primary occupation, secondary occupation, tertiary occupation. So who is involving in the primary occupation? Already we taken one example before this one. Yes, farmers are involving in the primary occupations. Those are doing work, job in the factories. They are involving in the secondary occupation. Some other people are there. They are serving. They are doing job, work to the people. Okay, so they are involving in the tertiary occupations. Is it clear for all? Yes. First of all, we have discussed about primary occupations and what type of works are involving in the primary occupations. So in the primary occupation, some types of works are involving in them. First one is farming. First one is farming. Who is doing farm work? Farmers. Very good. Farmers are doing farm work. So in our country, mainly in our country is depending on the farmers only. So most of the people are doing farm work. Okay, so this is the main occupation of the people in our country. And what type of crops growing farmers? Example, cotton, pulses, fruits, vegetables, etc. Is it clear? So this farming also involving in primary occupation. Okay. Next. Second one is dairy farming. Dairy farming. So what is there in the dairy farming? Especially in the dairy farming, from the dairy farming we are getting milk. We are getting milk. So how we are getting? From where we are getting milk? Cows, buffaloes. From the cows and the buffaloes. So in the dairy farming we are growing cows and the buffaloes. From them we are getting milk. So here that this dairy farming also involved in the primary occupation. Next, third one is cattle farming. Cattle farming. So what is there in the cattle farming? In the cattle farming we are growing cows, bulls, oxen, like that. So what we are doing with the help of these cows, bulls, oxen, we are plowing fields. We are plowing fields. By that we are growing different types of crops. Okay, and this cattle farming also involving in the primary occupation. And another one is fish farming. This fish farming also is called pisciculture. Pisciculture. What we are calling pisciculture. Got it, everyone? Fish farming is also called pisciculture. In the fish farming, we are growing different types of fish. Okay. Example. Catfish, carp, salmon, etc. By that they are getting money. This fish farming also involving the primary occupation. Next, bee farming also is there. What is that? Bee farming. What is there in the bee farming? Beekeepers are taking care of this bee farming. Okay. In the bee farming, we are growing bees, honey bees or bees, and maintaining hives or honeycombs. By that we are getting honey. Okay. What we are getting from the bee farming? Honey, wax, and honey products like that we are getting. Okay. And this is also coming. This one also involving in the primary occupation. Next, mining. This mining also involving in the primary occupation. Do you know what is mining? Yes, digging of earth. Digging of earth. So while we are digging earth, we are getting when we are digging earth, we are getting from the earth different types of minerals and other things. And especially we are getting minerals and metals. Okay, minerals means example coal, petrol, like that. These are the minerals. Metals means examples of what are the examples of metals? Iron, gold, silver. Okay, aluminium. Like that. This type of metals are they getting in the mining. So those are digging earth. So they are called miners. They are called miners. Those are digging, mining. The people are called miners. Okay. So these are all involving in the primary occupation. Okay. What are they? First one farming. Second one is dairy farm. Dairy farming. Third one is cattle farming. Fourth one bee farming. Fifth one fish farming. Next mining. Okay, like this. These are all involving in the primary occupation. And another one also is the last one is poultry farming. Another one is poultry farming. Do you know poultry? Yes, where we are growing different types of birds, that is called poultry. So in this poultry farming also involving in this poultry farming also involving in the primary occupation. So in this poultry farming we are growing different types of birds. They are hens, ducks, geese, etc. So hens, ducks, geese, etc. we are growing in the poultry farming. So from them what we are getting? Already you know, we are getting chicken and eggs. Chicken and eggs. Okay. So these are all involving in primary occupation. Next, we are going to discuss here secondary occupation. What is that? Secondary occupation. in the first we discussed about one example. What is that? Farmers are growing cotton crops. Here cotton is a natural resource. Okay, so this is raw material. After that they are selling in the market. So some buyers are coming to the market. They take about the industry or factory. So there they are doing different types of processing methods. They are following in the factory different types of processing methods, and finally they make clothes. And after manufacturing of clothes, they are selling to different shops. Already discussed. So here those are doing work in the factory or in industry. Okay, so they are called workers, job holders. So these people are coming under secondary or involving in secondary occupation. Okay, so here what they are doing, they are making things, new things. They are making new things. They are making new things. How they are making new things? From the raw materials. From the raw materials. Is it right? So those are doing in the factory. They are called workers. These workers and employees and some members are sending to different shops and pack. Some members are doing pack like that. Okay? So these are all involved in workshop. So these are all involved, workers, employees and workshop. Everything is involving in the secondary occupation. Is it clear? Yes. Next, third one is tertiary occupation. Tertiary occupation. So some people are already discussed. Some people are doing work in the society for people. That means they are serving the people. For example, here policeman, police officers, policemen, police officers, doctors, and government job holders, government officers. Okay. So these people are involving in tertiary occupations. And another example, postman also. Okay, he is doing serve to people, and by that they will get or they will earn money. They will earn money. So with the help of money, they are living in the society. Okay, so these are the types of occupations. Once I will revise about them. Okay, so there are what is an occupation? Any work which helps to people to earn in living is called occupation. Already we discussed that one. So here we have three types of occupations. How many types are there? Three types are there. First one is primary occupation. Okay. Primary occupation. So what type of works are involving in the primary occupations? See here, agriculture. Examples. These are the examples of primary occupations. Agriculture, dairy farming, farming, etc. Second one is secondary occupation. So, what type of works or what is involving in the secondary occupation? Example, shoe factory. Sugar factory, etc. Is it clear? Third one, territory. Territory occupation. All public servants are involving in the territory occupation. Example, postman, policeman, like that. Police, etc. Is that clear? Here we have three types of occupations: primary occupation, secondary occupation, territory occupation. Under primary occupation, different types of works are there: agriculture work, dairy farm work, fish farming, etc. are there. And in the same way, secondary occupation is there here. So, shoe factory, sugar factory, okay, all factories are involved in the secondary occupation. And territory occupation, postman, policeman, all public servants are involved in the secondary territory occupation. Okay. Now I am going to give a small assessment. Small assessment. Assessment means it is a homework. Okay. Yes. You have to do, after listening this class, you have to do this homework. One. First one is, what is an occupation? Okay. Dash and dash give milk. Dash is the main occupation in India. Okay. Next. Dash and dash are used for clubbing. This is a small assessment or homework for you. What is an occupation? Dash and dash give milk. Dash is the main occupation in India. Dash and dash are used for clubbing. This is your today's topic. Okay, and I will explain in the next class with another topic. The topic is sun and solar system. Sun and solar system. This is your next class topic. Sun and solar system. Understood everyone? Yes, I think you are all understood. Okay. Thank you.